Voy a hacer un monólogo de Annie Hall, de la película de Woody Allen, en inglés. Sadie, he know George because of my granny. It's a funny story, you know, because he has this thing that he fell asleep in the middle of a conversation. What's the name? It's, oh yeah, narcolepsy, yeah. So he was picking up his turkey, as every Christmas Eve, and he was doing the cue, and suddenly he fell asleep in the middle, and he never wake up. He died, and that's it. Maybe it's not a funny story, poor man. Well, sorry.